If you guys did not win, don't worry. I actually have a few in stock. So they are live now on the website. Go get yours now. But get this other garage opened up. Get a little light in here. There we go. Man, that Camaro though, boy. You looking good. You looking good. Guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, check it out. Interior, right? Interior, yes sir. We're finally gonna get these door panels on. I was waiting for some clips to get in, and we were really waiting on this little guy in here. I don't know if you guys can see it. That little clip in there that holds the rod to the door handle. I'm sorry, to the lock, I should say, that so you can unlock and lock your door from the outside. So you really want to have all that stuff in. So before we get started, quick rundown on the door panel. We're putting these door panels on today, but you also want to have these clips here. A lot of people will just run screws to their door panels and forget about these guys here. Make sure you guys buy these little inserts. They're like it's basically like almost like one of those anchors you use on the drywall. Picture something like that, but they're little plastic guys like that, and you want to have 6 of them, 3 per side. And another thing, you want to have these guys. These is what your actual door panel sits on, so don't forget about that. But obviously you want to have your window regulator in, everything ready to go, your door lock, stuff like that, weather stripping and all that. Also these clips too, these little guys right here, this is another thing we were waiting on. We're waiting on these little guys here because these are the clips that go in here, right? Those are the ones that go in there, and they go on the back of the door panel. So you're gonna have all these little spots like that. They'll go in just like that. You just literally clip them in. They clip in. Now these are going to be adjustable. Once you get the door panel on there, you'll be able to kind of move these back and forth as you need them, just to get them lined up with those holes, remember? But another thing, I'm super excited today. Not only did we get to do this, we get to actually button up a little bit of the interior on the Frankenstein. The giveaway. Did you guys get any merch? Did you guys enter the giveaway at all? I hope so, because I'm excited to announce a winner in this video. By the end of this video, we're going to announce a winner for sure. I'm waiting on the wifey. The wifey, she's out about running errands. She's the one that's been the mastermind of all this thing. She's the one who helped me put together the website. I should say she actually did put together the website. It's been helping me fulfillment, getting all the orders out, process, getting all the swag to you guys. So I appreciate you for everything you've done. And she's going to help us out, also pick a winner. So we're going to do a what do you call it, random entry online. There's like something that simulates like a sweepstakes in a sense, so we're gonna do that. We just gotta wait for her to get here, obviously. So in the meantime, I'm gonna try to entertain you guys a little bit and get these door panels on there. Not only that, guess what, we got Ringbrother hinges. Not Ringbrother hinges, of course we got Ringbrothers hinges, but we have Ringbrothers door handles that we're gonna be putting on too. I've been waiting to put these on too. Look at this thing. Oh yeah, that looks so good. I love those. Those look so good. So we're gonna finish up with that, get those door panels on both sides. We also have the armrest to do. Now the armrest, you obviously want to make sure the actual pad is on the actual armrest itself before you put that onto the door. You should just have 3 screws holding that on. 1, 2, 3. And obviously they are oriented, so this is the passenger side, so just look for the cutout. Make sure you got the right side there. And also these door panels do take 4 screws down at the bottom down here. Now I'm not gonna use any of whatever old holes might be here, like this guy here. I'm gonna make my new holes because I'm gonna kind of get them all lined up and then evenly spaced. So we're gonna drill them and pre-drill them with this guy here. Pre-drill into the door panel and the actual door itself. And then we're going to use self tappers as well. These are about 3/4 inch self tappers. Don't use anything longer than that, or else you'll get something hitting on the backside or interference. So remember that. But 4, don't put anything more than 4. That's all it is, just 4. Remember, 4 only, pre-drill, so that way you don't rip up your door panel and all that. So I think we're just going to get started, right? Let's get started. What y'all think though? Not bad, huh? Struggle a little bit just because these are brand new door panels, you know what I mean? When they're old set of door panels, they go right on really smooth, really easy, because they're almost contoured to the door already. But with the weather stripping being new, door panel, everything, we also had to make sure you guys cut these out as well, because you want to have those already pre-cut. You'll see the back of them, they're kind of perforated. Cut those out. And then what I do with the bottom screws is that I normally I'll measure 2 inches in, do the first one on the outside, measure another 2 inches in, do the second one on the inside over there, and then measure another third. I divided this up just to kind of make sure it's all even. So it's 13 and a quarter from here to there, and then another 13 and a quarter from there to here, and that should give you a nice even look. We're gonna go get those Ringbrothers door handles, put those on real quick, and then we still got the armrest to do. So let's do that side, and then maybe I feel it doing that side, we'll see. But we still got to do that giveaway, right? We still got to do that. Stay tuned. All right, so these are handles, Ringbrother handles. They're such badass handles, by the way, guys. If you guys need a set, let me know. I'll put you in contact with 80s Performance. He can get them all for you, so let me know. But these guys have a Allen screw here in the middle we got to undo. Now I had these powder coated a while back to match all the exterior chrome, we want to call it, and they look real good. They came out really nice. They come in raw finish, I want to say, like a raw aluminum or black, whatever you guys want to get. But like I said, I had mine powder coated. So you're going to remove that center screw and then pull this off. Now be careful, because these have these little dial pins in here. If I can, there we go. You see that those little dial pins right there? You guys can see them. These little guys here, those got to stay in there, because that's what's actually going to keep the handle on there and turning the entire mechanism. So keep those little pins in there, along with this cap. This cap comes off, and these also are little pins that hold the cap on. So it's very important to keep all that stuff together. And then you're going to have these set screws. These set screws, those are also an Allen set, and you'll get like a little bag like this that'll come with all your hardware. So don't lose that stuff. Those you're gonna run in through here. You'll run in 2 to 3 depending on how you have this thing set up. But this little guy will pop in just like that. You're gonna want to there it goes. You're gonna want to open this thing up a little bit. You want to cut that fabric up, open it up, slide that thing in there, and then slide this guy in, and then the handle, and then the screw. They also come with these spacers. These spacers are just to kind of bring the handle further out if you're having issues like turning the handle and stuff like that. So use them as needed, and then you just use a longer screw for the center. Let's go ahead and put these on real quick. Sorry y'all, my camera froze, man. I will say this, GoPro, you need to step up your game. This thing overheats a lot, guys. How's my hair? Is my hair messed up? This GoPro, you overheat all the time, bro. You can't take this Vegas heat. But back to the video. Went ahead and put this one on without you guys. It's the same concept as that one, but man, look at this thing. These things look so freaking good. Doesn't that look so good, guys? We still have the actual armrest that's gonna go on here. We'll slap that on real quick. And also, look, forgot to show you guys those. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Those are from Ringbrothers. So if you guys need those, order those up too. Let's go ahead and put this armrest real quick. And we got Gina over here interrupting the video. Come on, Gina. So we're gonna throw these on, and then we'll do the other side. Maybe she'll do the other side. We'll see. All right, you guys. So I noticed one thing, and this is exactly why I like doing these videos. So that way you guys are aware of these issues, because this is new to me. I've never done a set of Ringbrothers hinges, and look at what's happening is that we have this gap here, because this is actually sitting on top of the handle, because a stock one should sit just about like that. It should be centered to this little diamond here to the armrest, and so it should be over the handle like so, tucked in here. Now we're gonna end up probably having to notch this out here, the center of this. So I'm gonna notch this out, and then until it sits flush basically. So you can see there it's flush, and then once we go over the handle, you're talking about, I mean, I have a whole, almost a whole finger back there. So we're gonna have to notch this out and then trim it. Maybe we'll get the trusty old Dremel and see if we can notch this down a little bit. That's gonna kind of suck. So let's see, let me notch this down real quick and see what it actually looks like. So like I said, I'm glad we run into these problems, so that way you guys see what you guys have to do to fit these handles. So let's go ahead and knock these out real quick. All right, y'all, I got it on there, got it all trimmed up. We definitely had to shave it down, and look at this thing. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? You already see the finished product? Ooh, boy. Ooh, damn, that looks good. God, I love it, guys. I love it. So look at that. You guys can see how much we had to trim. If we did not trim that, that was never, ever gonna work. And look, in comparison to the drop guac, you see how that handle sits inside there, right? We definitely wanted to keep that same look, and we had to do that. So we definitely had to shave that and get it all trimmed up. That way we had no interference, and that thing set as flush as possible. But I love it though. Look at that. It looks so good, especially with the little doorknob here. I'm glad we bought that too. Little LSX tied in there as well. Yes, sir. Love it, y'all. Love it. Now, I guess we still have to do the other side over there. If there was only some way we can just snap our fingers and it'd be done. Bam! Look at that. Yeah, buddy. It's all done, ready to go. I like it, y'all. Looking good, looking real good. So there actually was a few things, guys, I wanted to touch on because it might help you guys out. When you guys are putting these armrests on, obviously with new door panels, you not really know where the holes are at. So I took this little pick guy here and poked basically use it as a marker really. Poke there, poke where the bottom's at, poke up top while I held the armrest, and then that way it gives you a dent when you pull this off, and you can drill your hole with your drill bit. That way you guys know where this thing is gonna go. And another thing, you guys might have saw me using this guy. You remember this guy? I don't know if you guys saw me using this guy. This thing's pretty neat. It's a door panel clip remover. It's exactly for that. It'll go in here between the door panel and the clip, and it'll pop the door panel off. So that way that clip does not rip off those backboards. It's kind of really neat. It's pretty nice. I think I picked this up like at a swap meet or something like that. But if you guys know where to get one, put the link down in the description below or in the comments. But like I said, I got it at a swap meet. I would put it down, but I don't know where that thing came from. But I thought I'd share that with you guys. Thought you guys might enjoy that. All we got is left to get out of this heat for a little bit and see if we can find the wifey so we can actually get a winner for this diffuser giveaway. Yep, I know you guys want to see it. So let's see if we can find her. All right, everyone, finally, she's ready to help us. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. We're gonna pick a winner. Oh, this is the brains of the operation, by the way. Like I told you guys before, she has been helping us out with this whole thing, the fulfillment side, everything, the website, everything. But it is time to pick a winner finally. Babe, you want to say hi to them?
Hello, how are you guys?
So we get everybody's entries in here. Hopefully you guys got some swag. Best of luck. Go ahead and pick. Let's see if we're going to pick a winner here real quick. And I'm going to try to call you guys. So hopefully your number is in that email. Let's see. Okay. I'm not going to say the name. I'm going to call you first. So let's find your information here real quick. Let's try to sell car insurance.
That's the wrong number.
You better answer. You guys be quiet, okay? Let's see if he answers. I wonder what he bought too. I'm gonna ask him. Oh, he's right there.
Okay, you have that old school t-shirt.
Hello?
Hello, Diego?
Yes?
Yeah, I'm calling about your extended warranty.
Okay.
I'm calling about your extended warranty on your Chevelle.
Extended warranty?
Hey Diego, no, I'm messing around with you, bro. This is Goose. SS Goose.
Oh shit!
What up, man? You're the winner, bro. You're the winner of the diffuser.
No way! That's what's up, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. Yeah, what? You didn't want extended warranty for your 1970 Chevelle or what?
Hell no!
Yeah, bro. Congratulations, man. You're the winner.
Oh, fuck yeah!
Hell yeah. So do you have a Chevelle?
Yeah, boss. I have a 71.
71. Okay, cool. So I will definitely. I'm gonna get you a 71 sent out here. Probably what's today? Saturday. So probably if I can, if they're open tomorrow, I'll get it out tomorrow. But for sure Monday morning. But we'll get that shit.
Man. Hey, man. No worries, man.
So what did
do
what did you buy from the website? What would you purchase?
Yeah. So I bought a shirt and also bought the Chevelle the bottle opener.
Oh, okay, cool. So we're gonna go get that sent out to you, and congratulations once again, bro. And I appreciate your support, man.
Hell yeah, no worries, man. You know, I like your content, bro. Like I said, like I was telling one of I'm at work right now. I was telling one of my coworkers, like, man, this seems like a cool cat right here, man. I wish he was local. I'm in the Bay Area, bro.
Oh, okay, right on, man. Well, hey, you're not too far, man. Like I said, I try to get out there every once in a while.
Oh, it's all good, bro. Hell yeah, man.
Well,
Yeah, man. I appreciate it, bro. Hey, thanks a lot, dudes, man. Like I said, man, I just enjoy your content, man. Everything you do, bro. Everything's cool, man.
All right, appreciate it, Diego, man. Yeah, I'll get that sent out to you.
Oh, thanks a lot, buddy. Appreciate it.
All right, bye.
All right, bye.
Damn, y'all, he didn't hang up on us. I thought he was gonna hang up on us with that extended warranty. I guess not. That's cool, man. Well, you guys, that's it. Diego, once again, congrats, bro. Hope you like it. And now, if you guys did not win, don't worry. I actually have a few in stock. So they are live now on the website. Go get yours now, but quantity is super limited right now. I only have a few, especially the 71 and 72, because it seems to be obviously the most popular with more of them being out there. But I got you guys. Hit the website up, gooseperformance.com, and keep wrenching.